Hello students, today we are going to learn mathematics of standard 7. Lesson number 1, geometrical constructions. Now I am going to teach you practice set number 2. I have taught first 3 questions. Today we are going to see question number 2. Pay attention. Draw an isosceles triangle with base 5 cm and the other sides 3.5 cm each. You can see here we have to draw isosceles triangle with the base 5 cm and the other side is 3.5 cm. Before that, I want to explain about isosceles triangle. You can tell what is the meaning of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal, only one side is different. Means you can see in this question base has 5 and remaining two sides has given 3.5 cm. Now see here how to draw. I will show you. Now first of all take base 5 cm. Firstly we are drawing rough figure. Okay, and then 3.5 centimeter. This is isosceles triangle. Base is 5 centimeter and other side is 3.5 centimeter. Means you can consider these two sides are equal. Means this is isosceles triangle. We have to name any A, B, C. Means these two sides are equal. By marking we can understand this is a isosceles triangle. Means two sides are equal and only one side is the different. Understood? Now see here how to draw required figure. Now first of all I am going to draw base as BC is 5 centimeter from 0 to till 5. You can draw base 5 centimeter. Now by using compass you can draw B to A and C to A. Means B to A is the 3.5 centimeter. See here I am taking in compass 3.5 centimeter. Okay, I have taken. Now you can put pointer of compass on point B and draw one arc. Same compass, don't change the distance. Pointer of compass you can put on point C and you can draw arc. Then you are getting 1 point. Okay, and for this name you can give point A and join by ruler A to B and A to C. Okay, you can show here this is isosceles triangle and you can write here 3.5 centimeter. Understood? Now question number 3, draw an equilateral triangle with side 6.5 centimeter. Okay, you can understand it is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means what? Three sides are equal of given triangle. Means here side has given 6.5. Means we can take 6.5 three sides and then we can draw. First of all I am going to draw rough figure. Okay, whenever you are doing the construction always you have to draw first of all rough figure. Okay, 6.5 centimeter. Name it A, B, C. Now see here how to draw. First of all we are drawing 6.5 centimeter as base. BC I am going to draw 6.5. Okay. Now we have to draw B to A and C to A. Both are equal distance. Means now I am drawing by using the compass. First of all, I am going to take 6.5 in compass. 6.5 in the compass. Okay. Now pointer of compass you can put on point B and you can draw the arc. Same, you can put the pointer of compass on point C and you can draw the arc. Okay. Then you are getting the point. Name it A. And then you can join by using ruler. A to B and A to C. Understood how to draw equilateral triangle? Okay. Before I have explained how to draw isosceles triangle and now equilateral triangle. Now I am going to explain question number 4. Choose the length of the sides yourself and draw one equilateral, one isosceles and one scalene triangle. Means see here you have to draw one equilateral triangle, one isosceles triangle and one scalene triangle. Means you can take your own measurement. Equilateral triangle means what? All sides are equal. Means you can take the all sides 6 centimeter and then you can draw. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal, one side is different. Means you can take the two sides measure is the 6 centimeter, one side is the difference. Means you can take the 8 centimeter as your own. One scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means what? All sides are different. All sides are different means what? One side you can take the 6 centimeter, one side you can take the 8 centimeter, one side you can take the 4 centimeter. It is the scalene triangle. You have to draw yourself. Understood? You can draw. Okay. Thank you.